Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So, I did a thing today. A big thing. I've been gone for 2 weeks on vacation. Took my daughter over to France and to England for her graduation present. I knew I was going to come back and have a lot of work to do on the lawn. I knew it was going to involve that, and that. So what I did here in the middle of June is I took this lawn down. You could technically call this a summer scalp, but man, my area in Northwest Georgia has gotten so much rain, and we have not hit the mid-90s consecutively this season, which we normally do. This thing's not in full dormancy yet, but I felt like it needed it in a couple of spaces. My mower was floating on me. So I just went ahead and I scarified it. Putting green's coming in really, really nice. That looks almost like velvet in some places. I don't know if it'll show up here. I'm taking a broadcast spreader full of sand and putting it on it here in a minute, but I bet you that I took off, this is no shit, I bet you I took off between scalping and scarifying 20 buckets on that California trimmer. It's just a lot of junk in here. Needed it. Got the 4th of July coming up. I don't know. I lost time with being gone. I think this may be the 12th of June. So I've got another 2 weeks to get this thing looking good, because you guys that follow me know that the 4th of July is my Super Bowl. Some years I win the Super Bowl and some years I lose the Super Bowl. And last year I crushed it. I killed it. I had a damn good Super Bowl. So it's gonna be hard to beat that this year. But, so that's what's going on there. I took her down now. I'm gonna put out some all-season bug granular stuff on the lawn. Sorry. And then tomorrow I'll water that in. I've got to look at my calendar, my maintenance calendar, and see when the last application of fertilizer was. It may be time to go ahead and throw that 2704 out. I might put out a 3400, a light coat. Big thing is back here in the backyard. Look at that damn zoysia. Good golly, look at that. I just gave it a quick trim today. Left it alone. I think about a month ago I put a 3400 out here. Some of my buddies that I helped him with his lawn to level it out, and he gave me a few pounds of it, and I put it out back here. It looks good. It looks really good. No issue back here with that. So that's all I got. Just thought I'd pop in and give you an update. You see me knocking bugs away. Mosquitoes are crazy. See those woods? And all this rain, mosquitoes are crazy. So I'm gonna spray some backyard insect stuff back here. Dump out any water and burr bass, anything like that I got, because that attracts mosquitoes. But that's it. I did a scalp, scarify, clean up, and I'm fixing to put out insect stuff. That's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, out.